Tired of endless ads interrupting your favorite cat videos and music playlists? Let's ditch those pesky interruptions and unlock a smoother YouTube experience together. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to subscribe to YouTube Premium using your debit card, so you can enjoy ad-free viewing, background playback, and YouTube Music Premium on all your devices. First, head over to YouTube on your computer or open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Then, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, you'll see a list of options. Select YouTube Premium. This will take you to the YouTube Premium page, outlining all the awesome benefits you'll get. Take a quick peek at the perks, then click on the Try It Free or Get YouTube Premium button, depending on what's offered in your region. Even if it starts with a free trial, you'll still need to set up your payment method. Now, you'll be asked to choose your payment method. Select debit or credit card. Enter your debit card details carefully, including your card number, expiration date, the CVV code on the back of your card, and your billing address. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Review the subscription details, including the price and billing cycle, to ensure everything is correct. Then click the Buy or Start Free Trial button to finalize your subscription. And that's it. You're now a YouTube Premium member. Enjoy uninterrupted videos, background playback, and access to YouTube Music Premium. You've officially upgraded your YouTube experience. Happy watching!